So now you have a piece of paper that looks like four little donuts with some pictures inside of them. I want you to put that in front of you. So the first picture looks like a picture of some fruit in a circle. So I want you to look at that. And then the next picture looks like a school bus, a backpack, some books, a pencil. So I want you to look at that. And then the next one looks like some sea animals or at the beach. And then the fourth one looks like a car and a plane, a helicopter, all that. Okay, so I want you to look at those pictures and I want you to decide which donut is the main idea of Biscuit Goes to School. So which pictures show the main idea of Biscuit Goes to School? Okay, so what I want you to do is get your red crayons out, okay? I want you to put them in your hand and show me that you have them, okay? Alright, so now what I want you to do is to put a red X, just draw a red X in the center of the donut of what the main idea of Biscuit Goes to School is, okay? So once you have the main idea of Biscuit Goes to School, is it the beach pictures? Is it the fruit pictures? Is it the picture of the bus, of some school supplies? Is it the car? You know, I want you to pick which one describes the Biscuit book and then put a red X in the center, okay? Okay. Now I want you to pick up your blue crayons. And so now we're going to look at, okay, so which picture is the main idea of fruits, okay? So each donut represents a different main idea, okay? So there's one donut that has a bunch of fruits on it. So obviously the main idea would be the fruit, right? The main idea of the picture is the fruits, okay? So I want you to now pick up your blue crayons and put a blue X around the fruit one, okay? Okay, now pick up your orange crayons and I want you to put an orange X in the center of the donut that describes the beach. So when you go to the beach, which pictures do you see? I want you to put an orange X in the center. Okay, now pick up your green crayons. Okay, and now I want you to put a green X in the center of the donut that describes the main idea of going places. So if you were going from your house to the park, you know, you would use your car, right? All right, so find the one that describes where you travel. Okay, and if you were to travel super far away, you would use a plane, right? So we're looking to describe things where you travel to. Okay, so put a green X in the one that describes going place to place. All right, so once you get that done, so all four of these donuts have a main idea because all of their pictures together create one big idea. So we're looking at all the pictures and we decide, okay, all of these have something in common. Okay, so obviously we know that a watermelon, banana, and a fruit, they're all fruits, right? So all together they create one topic, okay? So kind of like when we're reading a story, we're listening to each word and we're keeping in mind, all right, what's the big main idea of this story, okay? So kind of like the school supplies, you know, the bus, the backpack, we think, okay, so what do all of those pictures have in common? Okay, so kind of like the same thing with the beach things, like when you go to the beach, you see sand, water, animals, trees, palm trees. So you see that and you automatically think, all right, beach. So that's your main idea. Okay, and for the last one, when you see a car, a helicopter, a plane, you're thinking, okay, well, I use a plane for when I go places that are far away, or I use a car to get to school every day. So we think, okay, so what do these things have in common? What's the main idea of all four of these things, okay? So awesome. All right, well, that concludes the lesson. Thank y'all so much for listening. And never forget what the main idea is and how to find it and how to use the details to help you find the main topic.